The objection, I have an agent. Whenever we get that objection, we want to obviously ask a little bit more questions, right? Because sometimes people think they have an agent when they really don't, right? Somebody might be sending them properties and they feel like that's their agent. Let's say going on a listing appointment, they may think that they have an agent already selected based on some postcards that they've received with them in the mail. So how do we handle that specific objection? There's going to be 4 parts to this. Somebody tells you you have an agent, and most likely any type of objection, the first step that you want to take is paraphrase. Somebody tells you I have an agent. Oh, you have an agent? And just kind of notice what I did here. This is called an upswing. I have an agent versus, oh, you have an agent. It's completely different how you say that, because when you use an upswing, it sounds like you're not sure. It almost installs an uncertainty in their mind, and it's the same as you as well, like you're not certain. You don't want to use upswings when you're not sure about something, right? So for example, if you're introducing yourself, right, you don't want to use an upswing because you know who you are. You know, don't say, oh, hi, this is Peter with eXp Realty or with Stunning Ninja Homes. Like, you know, you see that upswing, it's almost like you're uncertain of who you are or who you're with. Like, oh, hi, this is Peter with eXp Realty. You know, you see how I say that? It sounds a little bit more confident, right?